Most people assume gig apps pay a fixed amount. But here's the truth no one tells you. On TaskRabbit in 2026, earnings are not fixed at all. They depend on your skills, your category, and how you position yourself. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is comparing TaskRabbit income to a regular hourly job without understanding how task pricing actually works. In this video, you will learn how much TaskRabbit workers really make in 2026, what beginners can expect, and what top earners do differently. Let's start simple. TaskRabbit is a local service platform where people get paid to complete tasks like furniture assembly, moving help, cleaning, mounting, and small repairs. A worker like Alex can choose tasks, set availability, and earn per job. Now here's where it gets interesting. You are not paid by the hour in most cases. You are paid per task. That means two workers can work the same amount of time and earn completely different incomes. But here's the problem most beginners face. They look at average earnings online and assume that is guaranteed income. It is not. So let's break down real earning ranges. Beginners on TaskRabbit in 2026 usually earn around moderate part-time income levels when they start. This can vary depending on city demand and category. A new tasker like Jake might start slow because they have no reviews and limited visibility. Intermediate taskers who complete consistent jobs and build strong reviews often move into steady weekly income. At this stage, earnings become more predictable because they get repeat clients and better ranked listings. Top earners are a different story. A highly rated tasker like John, who specializes in high-demand categories like furniture assembly or moving help, can earn significantly more per hour equivalent because they choose higher-paying tasks and optimize scheduling. In a minute, here is the key insight most people miss. On TaskRabbit, income is less about time worked and more about task selection and reputation. Let's talk about what actually increases earnings. First, category choice matters. Moving help and assembly tasks usually pay more than small errands. Choosing the right category can instantly change your income level. Second, location matters. Busy cities have more demand and higher paying tasks. Smaller markets may have fewer opportunities. Third, reviews directly impact earnings. More positive reviews lead to more bookings and higher trust from clients. Fourth, efficiency matters. The faster you complete tasks without sacrificing quality, the higher your effective hourly rate becomes. So how much do TaskRabbit workers really make in 2026? Most beginners earn modest part-time income at first. Experienced taskers earn steady and reliable income. Top taskers in busy cities can earn strong full-time income levels by focusing on high-paying tasks and maintaining excellent reviews. To summarize, TaskRabbit earnings depend on category, location, efficiency, and reputation. It is not a fixed salary system. It is a performance-based platform. If this helped you understand real TaskRabbit income, like the video, comment your city, and subscribe for more real gig economy breakdowns that help you earn smarter in 2026.